Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and good morning to our valuable lecturer, Tengku Muhammad Faisal bin Tengku Wok. So we are from Group 5 and I am Khairul Ashraf bin Fauzan. Second, Muhammad Aziz bin Abdul Jalil. Third, Syamila anak perempuan Ravi. And lastly, Ikram Fahmi bin Saharul. So today we will be presenting about Industry 4.0. What is Industry 4.0? This Industry 4.0 is revolution occurred in the past few decades. It's focused on interconnectivity, simulation, machine learning, and actual information. Industry 4.0 represents the increasing trend in technology and process within the manufacturing based towards machine learning and data processing. Objective. First is to deliver basic knowledge for the simulation in Industry 4.0. Second, to identify how simulation works to solve the problem in Industry 4.0. Third, to observe and analysis data from the simulation during the process is active. Next is introduction. Industry 4.0 based on simulation. According to a real model and carrying out experiments with this model in order to either explain the system action or test different method for the system service. Second, simulation is an ability to estimate the performance of the constructed system by running a virtual process and system. Third, in the virtual simulation situation, operators may also refine the system function before executing them in the actual life. And lastly, for example, simulation software will simulate Arena, FlexSim, and other.
For the methodology, there are 5 steps to investigate when design the simulation. For the first, problem definition. Second, system definition. Third, model formulation. Fourth, calibrate the simulation. And 5, lastly, input data collection and analysis. Okay, this is a flowchart for design problem definition, and then system definition and model formulation, and go to calibrate the simulation. At this calibrate simulation, we define the simulation in good condition or not. If not, we go back to calibrate the simulation. If yes, we can get input data collection and analysis, and then the system are successfully. Okay. For the first problem definition is the first phase consists of identify the study objective and deciding what need to be solved. And it need to be choose the good simulation software was the right instrument for the issue under investigation. Okay, second, the system definition. Okay, this phase is include defining the component of process to be modeled and evaluate the before step. The framework was also difficult, and so deciding the scheme take an expert with stability. Okay, and third, model formulation. Okay, model formulation is in designing the correct model. It is important to know how the actual system acts and to decide the basic requirement of the model. The development of a flowchart of how the system work make it easy to recognize what mechanism were related and how certain factor interact. Okay, fourth is calibrate the simulation. Okay, when we can run the simulation to see if the design we create was successful or not based on the flowchart created before this. And this step need to gather and use additional detail to ensure that the simulation incorporate the variance of actual or planned design. Lastly is input data collection and analysis. Okay, this type of information to collect was determined after design the model. To theoretical allocation. This is literature review. We research about 6 research for the paper. Okay, for the first, the title is Industry 4.0 and the New Simulation Modeling Paradigm. Okay, this paper is present the effect of Industry 4.0 on the implementation of the latest modeling framework of simulation and embodies by the principle of digital twin. Then the Industry 4.0 value is implement and its context, current state of development and effect on the development of the simulation modeling paradigm discussed. Okay, and second paper is titled Simulation Model of Production as Tool of for Industry 4.0 Implementation into Practice. Okay, the discussion is proposed in the creation of real production plan model. The process of establish a model simulation of a production line consisting of two CNC machine. The process of creating a production line simulation model consists of two CNC machine center is outlined. Okay, and third paper is simulation for better the future in Industry 4.0. Simulation can reduce the waste of time and resource and increase production efficiency. In addition, as the complexity of technologies increase, it is possible to train skilled workers and required by the industry through simulation.
Okay. Now I explain that after simulation, the simulation change improvement and filter section. So instead of the getting on filler, in the filler section, 5 additional filler are added. The number of waiting unit each section and the number of employee take look at fact that number of waiting unit 0 for each station. So here you can, in the table, you can see the difference between before and after. So in the simulation, the filler pays time to cover the feedback from the segment of riser. And the number of waiting units then decrease to 0 after the simulation where the adjustments are made in simulation mode. The reason for having 6 filler are less than 6. So the filler segment would have number of waiting unit. So here the number of waiting units are or should be 0. The comparison output efficiency and efficiency percentage between the current production line and changes after simulation. So here you can see the output and percentage versus bottling line condition. For the current output is 72 percentage. After use the simulation, it's be increased output. It's going to 99.3 percentage. After the first installation is 100% 100% is increased. So here you can see before and after the installer simulation. The estimate cost saving in change made. Okay, when the changes are complete, in assume that Anselman will provide the benefit that save operation costs over time, electricity and water and working hours associated with cost saving over time, electricity and water cost saving. So this one after simulation, improvement the simulation. So every month, you can see the 10,178 ringgit can save in 5 months. The additional working hours overtime can be eliminated by the lowering the waiting time generated by filler. In additional saving, the good achieved by this change are not only in the cost but also the time, that is cost value for the installation of 5 additional unit filler. So here can spend the 25,000 for the first month only for installation. For other months is nothing they are spent. Okay, here you can see the cost saving for the overtime plus electric bill plus water bill. It's only 10,000 178 ringgit only. Hence the return events investment period for the month 1 and month 2 plus month 3. It's RM total 30,534 ringgit only. The cost saving will successfully apply begin for the 3 months when the amount of the filler spent approach RM 25,000 saving for the 3 months. So then it's RM 30,000 express the RM 25,000.
Okay, as for the discussion, first is to illustrate business improvement. Most global corporations in the world today are using a wide variety of computer-based technology to help them handle knowledge and output with many business data. Second, in this analysis, the animated simulation models were successfully developed to compare the real and improve errors. Third, after considering all potential variables, it is observed that the change should be accomplished by model simulation and the performance is 99.3%, which is higher than the actual efficiency with a value of 72%. And lastly, for the discussion, the analysis has also created cost saving that will benefit after 3 months of investment. As a conclusion, simulation modeling would be a tool to obtain out and therefore estimate the performance of the simulated product or system by running a real or virtual process and systems. Simulations are performed by using real-time data to depict the real world. Workers in a virtual simulated situation will refine the system setting before applying them in the real world. And lastly, the recent updates in the paradigm of simulation modeling allow the virtual warehouse framework to design production method as well as other operations.